When it comes to studying drama or studying business, what we tend to do perfectly naturally is we divide things up into bite-sized chunks that we can absorb, and I will be doing that with you. So let's just look at the drama side for now, so you understand where I'm coming from here. We're going to be looking at several distinct areas: voice, our physical selves, our emotional selves, our mental thinking selves, and then what you might call our deepest self, our spiritual self, our religious self, or whatever that means for you. That may still be, I recognize, your mental self. There's no religious belief needed in this arena. But what I want to talk about is how, although we will rehearse those in a safe space together, and we will perfect them on an individual and separate level, ultimately they all feed one upon the other, and all of them together will help create business brilliance. And so I just want you to be mindful of that. We're going to go deep into different areas, but none of those on their own, in my view, are enough to bring business brilliance. So whilst I've worked with voice coaches, I've worked with dance tutors, I've worked with people who are experts on the theory of emotion, I've worked with experts in the mental game, and I have my own views on the spiritual side of life. All of those separately are highly valuable. None of them by themselves are that useful to me. It's only when I can combine everything and bring it right down into today, into, well, I'm sitting opposite you and you're telling me something I don't understand. How do I use my actor's artistry to achieve communication in that scenario? That's what interests me. And if it interests you, then subscribe to this channel. Don't miss out, because they're going to be one building upon another. We're going to be going from the simple to the sophisticated. If you miss 3 weeks and you come back, well, I know that's life and that happens, but you're going to feel the pain. So subscribe now, just click the little link. And then if you want a brand new spanking impromptu video that I just made off the top of my head, as I'm making this one off the top of my head, it's 20 minutes long, and it's all tips and tricks on how to power up your presentation. Just click the link below and that will take you through to the page where you can sign up for that. And in addition to that, you'll be getting emails, you'll be getting blogs, you'll be getting videos that I'm not showing on YouTube, and I might even put in the odd PDF checklist or guide. So here's to your business brilliance through actor's artistry.